Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to provide another quick short form update on Bitcoin where we talk about everything you need to know in a couple of minutes. So let's dive right into what you need to know. Bitcoin has just come down and filled its most major and most significant CME gap since December of 2020. Let's talk about it. Well, if we come over to the daily time frame, we're looking at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures. These obviously do not trade over the weekend. So when we have these big swings in the weekend price action, you create price gaps that Bitcoin loves to fill. The most major price gap we've been talking about on this channel for the past couple of months has been down here at 18,420. We've been talking about this price target of 45,000. We talked about this price target when we crossed our first CME gap at 33,000. We talked about it at 25,000, and once again the day has come. We have finally come down and filled the CME gap at 18,420 for Bitcoin. Now, if you're new to CME futures, obviously I've just told you that they don't trade over the weekend. You might be wondering how we've not filled this gap down here at 18,420 when we went lower than that. And you would be right. If you do come over to the weekly time frame and look at Bitcoin trading on an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, which obviously trade 24/7, then you'll be able to see that Bitcoin was actually trading down here at 17,670 only in June, a couple of months ago. However, when you do come over to the daily time frame, what you can see is the weekly candle body close. If we look at this first on the weekly, you can see the weekly candle body close was here at 19,300. This is where the weekly candle body close was, round about here, and basically the weekend opened and we massively capitulated into the weekend and bounced back for Monday. So as you can see here over the weekend, yes, we did go to 17,600 back in June, but we did not fill the CME gap because we weren't open during the weekday while we were at these price targets. So once again, just quickly letting you know that we have filled the next CME gap. There are a couple of other CME gaps, which, yeah, these are very brutal. We've actually got two CME gaps, one at $11,100 that was formed the week commencing the 5th of October 2020. And we've got another CME gap just beneath this at 9,670, which was formed all the way back down here on July 2020. Am I saying we're going to go down here? No, I personally actually don't think that we're going to go this low. I've previously said in my videos 12,000 is really the absolute low that I think Bitcoin's going to, meaning I personally don't see Bitcoin going much lower than another 36%. Is it possible, however? Yes, it is possible. I just do not find it probable. So let me know down below, what do you think? Do you think we're going down to this next CME gap and filling it? Do you think we're filling both of these and going to 9,500 before pumping up? I personally think, and I've highlighted this before, I think it's very likely we bottom round about this massive impulse. This is a one wave from our Elliott wave market structure. There's also a bunch of support down here, which I won't talk about in this video, but this is kind of where I think the bottom is going to play out. This is where I think we're moving down to 14,000, 12,000, round about this range. I don't think we're going down to the next CME gap, but like I said, I'm interested to know your opinion. Let me know what you think of this down below, and let me know if you like these short form updates and if you think they should be here to stay. So that's all I've got for you today, my friends. As always, expect a couple more of these videos. Cowboy out. Peace.